Hey everybody, it's your main man Joey Higgins and Malcolm Godwin with Chattanooga Home Inspector. Are you struggling to figure out what to get your family for Christmas this year? We figured it out. We are offering a complete mold test in your house for $295. The typical price for this is $425. So take advantage of it today. Always remember that the dangerous mold is the mold that you cannot see. When we perform a complete mold test, we take 3 samples of air, 1 outside the home for a control, typically 2 inside. We're running air over a cassette that we send to the lab. Our lab tests for 42 different types of molds and the concentration of each. Not only are we going to take those air samples, but when we come out, we're going to use a plethora of different tools, hygrometers, moisture meters, pinned moisture meters, pinless moisture meters, and infrared thermal imaging. The reason we're going to do this is we're going to go throughout the entire house and look at where the possible moisture intrusion is, so if you do have a mold problem, we know where to start to get rid of that moisture. I'm talking roof, attic, crawl space, plumbing. Make sure your vents are working correctly in your bathroom and in your kitchen. All kinds of things like this can lead up to an excessive moisture level, which can lead to mold.
What we do is test on the outside of a type of lumber, see what type of moisture content is in there. And then we have a couple more devices like a pinned moisture meter, which we actually insert into that substrate and test the interior areas of it. Then we got another couple of things where we can, like a thermal image, like you can see right here, it's nice and cold because we got a nice steel door behind us here, and we're pulling that cold from the outside. This kind of tells us where moisture can be in basement areas or anywhere where it could be infiltrating into that structure.
So we'll come out and check it for you. The entire month of December, our company's doing this for only $295. The typical price is $425. Take advantage of it now, and please understand, this is not a little test that you get from a big box store that you put a little swab on and then send it out. We are all certified, licensed, and insured experts on mold. We even have been tasked multiple times to be expert witnesses in court cases for mold. So we are the mold experts. Give us a call and make sure that your home is safe and sound for the holidays.
ChattanoogaHomeInspector.com
or 284-1510.